Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's a nice brisk cool morning. It's about 58 degrees and very comfortable. I'm looking at my plants and they're all nice and healthy. One of the plants to grow, in order for plants to grow like this and be nice and lush and green, they need three things. Obviously, they need water, they need fertilizer, and they need nice, healthy soil. My soil, if you take a look at it, it clumps together easily. It's not soggy or anything like that, and it's healthy. One of the things that makes the soil healthy is fertilizer. Fertilizer can be in the form of granular fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, or compost. Today I'm going to talk about compost. So I'm sure everyone has gone to their local big box store and seen compost. Compost comes in the form of animal manure. I'm sure everybody has seen black cow. It comes in the form of worm compost made from worm castings, and it can come in the form of mushroom compost made from mushrooms. You can also do composting at home. You can do from garden waste and scraps, or you can also do it with worms. So what is composting? Composting is a controlled aerobic process that converts organic materials into a nutrient-rich soil amendment. So you may ask, why would you want to create compost at home? Compost is nature's way of recycling. It's one of the most powerful actions we can take to reduce our trash and also help to control climate changes. Composting is also a resourceful way to recycle food scraps and yard trimmings that you generate, and you can use that to feed your plants. And I'm going to talk about how you can do that. Compost also allows you to save money. For every bag of black cow or worm castings that I buy, I'm usually spending anywhere from $10 to $20 a bag. With a little time and effort, I can pocket that and use it for something else or save it. The ingredients for composting include a proper balance of carbon-rich materials. This is normally called the brown, which can include dried leaves, plant stalks, and twigs. The carbon-rich materials provide microorganisms food to consume and digest. You also are going to need nitrogen-rich materials to include grass clippings and food scraps. Food scraps could include the skins of apples, bananas, eggshells. You want to avoid meat, fish, and bones. You want to avoid cheese and dairy products. You want to avoid pet waste. You want to avoid produce stickers and fats, oils, and greases. Every one of us probably has one of these at their home. This is a Rubbermaid trash can, 30-gallon trash can with a lid. What I did was drill 5 holes in the bottom of it, 5 large size holes, and I also around the back, drilled some very small holes going from the bottom to the top. The purpose of that is to, once I put in my brown and green and water it down, to allow nature to take its course, to have the liquid drain out. If I leave the liquid in there, I'm not going to get the product that I want. The whole process will take about 90 days, and afterwards I can start using it. I will come out occasionally and turn the product inside the garbage can so that it recycles well. The purpose of the holes in the bottom is to allow microorganisms as well as earthworms to come in and do their job. Okay, this is part of my homemade compost that I poured on my eggplants before the storm killed them. But as you can see, it's nice and healthy, and my plants were loving it. And in the long run, it saves me money, and I'm giving back not only to myself, but I'm giving back to the planet. Some of the other carbon-rich materials or brown that you can use are dried leaves, plant stalks and twigs, shredded paper. Make sure that it's not glossy and not really colored, shredded cardboard, and untreated wood chips. The healthier your soil, the healthier your plants are. And the more nutrients you have in your soil, the better it is for you and your family. So you might want to consider starting your own compost pile if you have the space and are able to do so. I decided I wanted to give it a try, and it seems to be working pretty well for me. I want to thank you for watching this. Everything that I used in the video is located in the comment section in my Amazon storefront. You can also head over to my website if you're in need of seeds and gardening tools and other supplies. And I just want to thank you for watching. At this time, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I know a lot of you watch my videos, and I am tremendously grateful for that. But go ahead and subscribe too. That helps my channel tremendously. If you have subscribed, go ahead and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload something new. Stay blessed, stay strong, and always remember, even in small spaces, you can grow great amounts of food for yourself and your family. Until next time, grow, grow, grow.